The Envious Escapade. Written by Better to Give. Illustrated by Seymour Good. In the land of the givers, where love is the goal, lived a croc and a frog. They were ready to roll.
It's the first day of summer, Fred. Yeah, it's really hot. You and I can get cool with this slide that I've got.
Pal, I love being part of the things that you do. Tell me, how did you make it? You really came through.
First, I used this long hose and connected the dots. I poked plenty of holes, placed in all the right spots. I laid tarps and hung buckets all up in a row. Now my slide-o-rama is ready to go. Here's a countdown for you. Time to jump. 3, 2, 1.
I love slipping and sliding. We'll have so much fun.
Freddy splished and he splashed. Cody followed with glee. He was ready to slide.
Now it's my turn.
Yippee!
Wait a second. Who's that? Penny's laughing next door. Do I hear Dottie too? There are giggles galore.
Cody slid to a stop.
Freddy, guess what I see? The big Zoom Zone 3000 is right by that tree. It is taller than tall. It is wider than wide. See the faster than fast, huge inflatable slide?
Hey, that's cool. They are sliding like we are today.
But the croc couldn't hear what the frog had to say.
Oh, would you look at that splash pad and the loopity-loop? Not to mention the triple bounce basketball hoop.
A large envious feeling was gripping his heart, squeezing out all the joy he had felt at the start.
Now I want what they have. My invention is junk. I was feeling so good, but now I'm in a funk.
That I want their stuff feeling was filling his chest, creeping into his thinker.
Their slide is the best.
Freddy zipped and he zagged through the spritz and the spray.
Come on, pal. Try your slide. I could do this all day. All these buckets are awesome. The hose is just right. It is super slide-tastic,
he said with delight.
Did you see my sweet moves? Are you busy right now? Hey now, buddy, what's up? You seem different somehow.
Freddy hopped to his friend.
Cody, you're missing out, looking way over there at our friends. There's no doubt. You have built a cool slide, but you're staying away. Pal, you're missing the ride. What's the deal? Come and play.
Freddy, this is the truth. I feel lower than low, wanting what I don't have. It's the worst, don't you know?
Well, the slide that you made is no Zoom Zone, it's true. It's way better than that. And the difference is you. You're the reason it's great, not because your slide's fast. When we hang out together, we both have a blast.
Cody thought for a minute. What Fred said made sense. He was missing the fun on his side of the fence.
Wanting other folks' stuff blocks the joy in my heart. It keeps out all the love. I sure need a new start. I'll let go of my envy. I don't need their stuff. And with you on my side, well, I know that's enough. So I have an idea. Here's what we should do. We can soak it with suds.
Now the happy friends flew. Tons of bubbles rose up, and loud shouts filled the air. So just who do you think peeked their heads over there? Penny called to the boys.
Wow, did you build this yourself? It's the best. It's amazing. It's really top shelf. Can we try out your slide?
Come on over, you guys. When good friends play together, the time really flies.
So now what about you? Are you feeling undone with I want their stuff feelings that steal all the fun? Just get rid of that envy right now. Let it go. And enjoy what you have. You will feel the love flow. Let's look at the Talk About It game. Talk about it. How did Cody feel when he saw the Zoom Zone 3000? Was he happy? Was he sad? Friendship challenge number 1. When your friend has a toy that you want, refocus. Give a thankful shout out for your toys. Wanting other folks' stuff blocks the joy in my heart. Who said that? Talk about it. What did Freddy say when he noticed Cody wasn't sliding? From 1 Corinthians 13, love does not envy. Just get rid of that envy right now. Let it go. Friendship challenge number 2. Let go of envy. Remind yourself, I can be happy without having everything I want. Look at that bottle of lots of suds. Whose idea was it to use the bubbles on the slide? Check out our big-hearted glossary and fun activities in the members portal. All you have to do is scan right there.